Welcome back for another Gala Games prize prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets and also give you reasons why Gala Games can easily see a break above the $0.02616 mark in the next coming hours. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Gala Games is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. You can also see that on the charts, Gala Games gave us a break above this descending trend line that I also shared in my previous videos, where you can see that the breakout happened to the upper side. We faced a resistance at around the $0.02616 mark, and that pullback is now giving us a retest of this descending trend line, and there are high chances that once the retest is in and a success, then we can easily see Gala Games continue gearing up, break above resistance, get a successful retest, and from that point we can easily see Gala Games get above the $0.03 mark. In the next coming days, Gala Games has also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and if I zoom out on the charts, you can see that after seeing the massive breakdown on the 10th of June, giving us a low at around the $0.01827 mark, we started gearing up, where we first peaked in the formation of that wave 1, giving us a high at around the $0.02906 mark. And afterwards, we started a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2 into the minimum retracement areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the second wave. And in the next coming days, we can see a reaction of the target area and continue gearing up impulsively in the formation of this wave 3. And giving you minimum target areas for the third wave by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. I get a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.03997 mark, and that is so close to the $0.04 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect Gala Games to do in the formation of that wave 3, and that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the short term point of view, basing it on the Elliot wave structures, and to also give you my long-term Elliot wave analysis here on the Gala Games chart. If I zoom out on the charts, you can see that after seeing the December lows, we peaked in a 5-wave structure, having the wave 5 giving us a high above the $0.063 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, and there are high chances that we have now bottomed out in the formation of that wave 2, and Gala Games is ready for a massive pump to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. And before the wave 3 starts, we need to see a number of confirmations. And the first confirmation is a complete 5-wave structure to the upside, followed by an ABC corrective structure before we can continue gearing up and see a break above resistances and significant highs. So the moment we see a complete 5-wave structure and an ABC corrective structure, that is enough confirmation that we are now changing our trend and we are now getting impulsive in the formation of that wave 3. Also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported. On the RSI, Gala Games is trading at around the 43 mark, fully supporting higher prices. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, suggesting further breakdown. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.